Hey guys, in this YouTube video, I'm going to show you how to get all the scripts for Speed Keyboard Escape. This is going to include unlock Treadmill, unlock sounds, auto run, speed hacks, auto run, everything. All the scripts that you need. All you got to do is follow this tutorial. By the way, I'm tech and tutorials. I do a bunch of tutorials on Roblox. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll release more script videos on every game possible on Roblox. First step of this tutorial is you go to burr.ai on your mobile device. Bear in mind, this script does work for desktop, does work for your PC, but you need to go on a mobile device because you're going to download an app called Delta Executor. I'm going to teach you how. And from there, once you have the app open on your phone, you type in your Roblox username and it injects the script on your PC game or your Roblox mobile app. Super easy to do. Just go here. And then after you go here, click Mods and APKs. And then once you're on this page, there's going to be a bunch of modded games. You're going to find Delta Executor. This is the one for Roblox. Again, there's going to be a mobile app. You type in your Roblox username once you have the app opened. Make sure you have Roblox open on your PC or your mobile phone at the same time. And it injects the script and you're able to speed hack. You're able to auto win, auto run, everything. Unlock everything. So tap Get App. And once you're here, click Download. Again, you have to be on a mobile device. So I'm going to go on my mobile phone right now to show you how it works. All right, now I'm on my mobile device. All I have to do right here, I'll show you exactly how it works. And this is the app right here, Delta Executor. Again, you just open that on your phone once you download it. Click download. It's going to generate your download. It's very highly requested. Many people are using this right now. So it's going to say that we're not detected as a human. We have to do a quick human verification check. Super easy to do. Just tap verify you're human. And then once you're on this page, you're going to tap start verification, okay? And you're going to be redirected to a human verification advanced CAPTCHA. And if it doesn't load, just click refresh. And there you go. Once you're on this page, super easy to do. All you have to do is download and open two apps on the screen to verify you're human. It's like CAPTCHA where you type in the letters, but this one's a little bit more advanced. They want to make sure you're real. So you just follow all the steps. Just click on a random app. Let's say DraftKings. Follow easy instructions next page. Once you're on this page, you're going to see this, what to do. All you have to do is type in quick hit slots in your app store and you download and open the app. So let's go to the app store. There you go. I typed in quick hit slots. There's DraftKings. You're going to press get. All right, now we're just going to open the app for 30 seconds and just make sure you interact with it. Just open it for 30 seconds as the steps say. And sometimes the apps might ask you to do different things. Just follow the steps in the app. So I'm going to open it for 30 seconds. Click around. And then you're going to go back to this screen and you're going to do a second app now. Okay, so let me go ahead and do a second app. Boom. And then once you're done, you're going to have Delta Executor. And as you can see to my right, you're able to see all the gameplay of the script working. Once you essentially have completed the steps, you open this app. Then it's going to ask you for your Roblox username. Make sure you have Roblox open on your mobile or your PC. Then you type in your username and you inject scripts. And then you're able to load the scripts right then and there without needing to download anything on your PC as well. If you enjoyed this video and you want more Roblox script videos on different games, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.